Hey guys, it's Claris and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this really cute gel manicure using products from Born Pretty, so let's get right into the video. So I have already removed the dip nails I did on this hand. I'm here just using some alcohol and a lint-free wipe to clean them off. And I also did shorten them a little bit and file them to shape. I'm also going to push back my cuticles with a wood stick. I'm then going to dust everything off. Alrighty, so once your nails are all ready, I'm going to grab the products I'm going to be using. This is going to be a gel manicure, so I'm going to first start off with my gel base coat. I'm going to apply this to all of the nails, and just so it doesn't run everywhere while I'm working on the different nails, I do give a little flash cure to each one as I apply it. And then cure that in my lamp for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so the color I'm going to be using is called Dream of Night, and it is from their Starry Sky series, which is a collection of glitter gels. So opening it up, this is a beautiful purple, almost grape purple gel, and it does have holographic sparkles in it, which is really fun. So what I'm going to do is take this gel and apply it to all of my nails, and I do notice with glitter gels they are a little bit thicker than normal just because of all the chunky glitter inside, so just take your time and try to apply that smoothly to all of the nails. So this is just such a gorgeous gel. I just love how packed with glitters it is. And we'll probably need 2 coats to get to full opacity. So I have been doing a bunch of dip nails recently on my channel. So one of the things I've thought about is which is better, gel or dip powder, because they're both like very long lasting products. I personally prefer dip powder actually. I like how strong and hard it makes my nails feel. I don't quite get that effect with gel. There is still some flexibility with it. Also, I like that with dip powder you don't need to use a UV lamp, and there's a lot of different kinds of nail art you can do with it, but of course that's the same with gel too. So I think it's really just a preference, and right now I just have a bigger dip powder collection, so I have more I can do with them than with my gels. So if you've tried both gel and dip powder, feel free to share below which one you prefer. Alright, so once I pull that back out, I'm just going to go in for that second coat. And you got really nice full coverage there in that second coat. But yeah, this gel is very easy to work with and apply. If I'm ever looking around for more glitter gels, I'll definitely consider looking at this collection again. I really love the purple glitter, it's just my favorite color. So after curing, I'm just going to wipe off the nail surface with some alcohol. And the nails did end up feeling pretty smooth, but I am going to go in with a file and just kind of smooth out the surface and shape the nails a little bit. So of course you could just leave it as this, but I am going to go do a little bit of stamping. I do have this plate from Born Pretty, ND029, and it's the circular one that has a bunch of Christmas designs, but it does also have these really cute strings with the little dots on them. So I'm just going to use my regular white nail polish and a marshmallow stamper from Moyu London. I'm going to apply the polish on the plate, scrape across, and then pick it up with my stamper. Then I'm going to roll it across the ring nail, which is going to be the accent nail for this mani. And I'm going to do that a couple of times just to decorate the whole length of the nail. And here I was just going for kind of a messy crisscross look, so that's just about perfect. Then we are ready to top coat. So this top coat is also from Born Pretty, and it is a no wipe top coat, so it will not have a tacky layer after it's cured, which is nice. So I will apply this to all of the nails and then cure in my lamp just as I did before. This top coat really has an amazing shine. I did not use a very high quality nail polish for the stamping, so it does kind of have a hard time showing up over the crazy glitter underneath. If I had this, I would use it, but if you have any spider gel, that would have been a great option. Now I'm just going to grab my jojoba oil here and apply this to the nails as their cuticle oil. This will re-moisturize the cuticles after using that very drying acetone. But anyways, there is the finished manicure. I really love glittery polishes, so this is just totally my kind of nails. But anyways, yeah, gel manicures are really just a snap. Comment below, what do you think of this mani? For my next video, I'm going to do another polish of the week episode, this time with this really pretty blue holographic nail polish. So if you'd like to see that, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and have the bell on so you won't miss any of my uploads. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I do have a playlist of all my nail art tutorials below in my description, or you can click in the upper right corner. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you guys in my next upload. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching me do my own nails. I do hope you enjoyed and have a magical day.